What's happening, people? So, got myself a nice little exhaust. It's second hand, as you can probably tell by the fact that it's, well, a bit minging, let's be honest. You can see all of that lovely dirt and grime ingrained there into the headers. Yeah, and there on the collector as well. The can is pretty damn good though. So we're going to have a go at cleaning it up. Now, I spent about all of 2 minutes looking on the internet for the cheapest and most cost effective way to clean up an exhaust, and it led me to find this stuff. Harpic 10 times. So first of all, I am going to put these in for a bit of a soak in an old builder's bucket. See what happens, mix up some of this Harpic stuff with some water, leave it there 20 minutes or so, and we'll give it a good scrub with a scouring pad to see what happens. If we need to do some more from there, we'll get on with some neat Harpic and give it a damn good scrubbing. Right, let's do this. Before we get cracking, one thing that I'm just going to say, this is not a Yoshimura exhaust, despite the sticker there. Like I say, it is second hand. Do not know why the previous owner decided to do that, but people are going to do what people want to do, so fair play. What it is an SP Engineering exhaust, which are made in the UK, which is lovely as far as I'm concerned. Got to support British manufacturing. Unfortunately, they do no longer make these for the XSR 700, but lots of other models available, and looks like quality piece of kit as far as I'm concerned. But let's get it cleaned up and have a better look and get it on the bike. So, bit of hot water and a load of this Harpic stuff. Gonna make a nice solution. I will dip everything in there and see what happens. So there we go. Everything's in there soaking except for the bracket. So I have peeled off the rubber bit because I have no idea how that'll react with this stuff, but it's off now and in it goes. Let's give it 20 minutes, see what happens. So this is the result of my cleaned up exhaust. This is exactly as it has been after the stages that I've shown you in the video already. You can see there is still some pitting there, but it's nothing that I'm too worried about, and it's stuff that's going to happen, let's be honest. Unless you're polishing every weekend like a Harley owner, you're going to get this sort of stuff on a road bike. I'm going to go over it with the ACF 50, see if that protects it. But other than that, I'm pretty happy to get that on the bike. Thanks for watching.